This is a 2013 BMW X5. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, BMW apps, a rear-view camera, comfort access, a power moonroof, heated seats, the M Sport package, a sport suspension, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, roof rails, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 23,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.